Hello everyone, just a little bit of a mini look at the Campbell Arcade being reopened. Of course I looked at this part in a previous video, but this part is now open, so obviously got the new marquee readers heading into here, and then so this is the Campbell Arcade. They've actually, so that part is separate to this part because this part will be heading into the new Town Hall Station. So right behind this is Town Hall. Looks clean. Alright, that's a bit of a sneak peek at it, and then and then that sign there will be saying Town Hall. And there will be shops here again. Remember, there used to be some nice vintage shops here. I hope they bring that vibe again because it's a good vibe. And then down here, it's very different to how it used to look. Well, in some ways. Definitely looks different without the shops here. And we've got Campbell Arcade, all this scenery. Metro Tunnel will soon be opening businesses out of all of these shops. And then up here, they've included all different parts of the Metro Tunnel, like photos of construction, etc. Didn't mention, but these head to Flinders Street, the street, and down here is towards Grave Street. We're gonna keep walking down here. TBM, so it's basically a timeline of the Metro Tunnel construction, which is cool in the future. So yeah, it is a timeline actually. Starts at 2019 or 2017 and goes up. Seems to be dead end here. Looks like it would have gone further in the past though. So yeah, up here is towards the Grave Street, which is a good connection, which is reopened. Anyway, that pretty much wraps up the video. Thank you for watching.
On the Melbourne train subreddit, I also saw this green platform sign at Flagstaff, which could signify that the Metro Tunnel will be opening in the coming months. Meanwhile, at Melbourne Central, they've removed the construction hoarding, which means this could be a good sign that the Metro Tunnel will be opening soon. And finally, around 2 weeks ago, Arden Station was open for an open day and I had a look inside. I'll be releasing a video in the future, and here's a sneak peek of what it looks like.